Good evening, friends. I'm Nalnakshi Swami, welcoming back to my channel, Smart Index Edge. I'm extremely thankful to you people for supporting me. And as I promised, I am clarifying the 5-minute strategy. Many of you people were not able to visualize the concept behind this strategy. I was using it, I explained it to you people many times. It becomes hard. See, imagination is very hard. So I thought, let me bring it in a very simple visualistic way so that you can understand the 5-minute concept and the trading clock and everything. Everybody was, uh, it is a very simple thing based on the GAN principle. GAN principle is market structure, market moves through time. Market cycle, actually, price moves through time. Price needs space. It cannot move like that, it has to move with the time. So that's why, based on that logic, applying it to my 5-minute time frame, I created this strategy, which is very, very powerful, which works very well, and it is best suited for the option buyers because in the first hour of trading hour, the momentum will be very high, which is very essential for option buying. Whether it is a put option or a call option, momentum is needed. At that time, at the time of volatility, price moves like a rocket. That is needed for you people. So you cannot sit with the garbage when the market moves sideways. So you will be losing money in that period, in that time frame. If you sit in the market, you will be losing money because the market fluctuates like in between red to green, green to red. And the candle size, the width of the candle will also decrease. They will become very short. So why do you want to trade the garbage? You should not trade the garbage. So this is a unique strategy, unique imagination conceived by me, and it is working so well for me and for you people also. Some people have adopted. They were able to conceive this strategy. They were able to imagine and adopt this strategy into their trading style. They are finding an edge in their trade. So when they are making profits, why not you people can make profits? Actually, some people, they were not able to understand what I was telling. Actually, it becomes difficult if somebody imagines, and if they are telling, I showed you with many example, because it is very hard for me to show the trade on live market, but I can explain you now in a very clear way. I am going to explain the whole thing, whole concept of GAN principle in a very, very neat way. You can understand, you can execute your trade like cutting the cake very smoothly. It will move very smooth as the time moves very smoothly with the price at the first hour of the trading day. Okay, this model initiates by observing the first 5 minutes of trading activity. This initial 5-minute period is very crucial for defining a reference price range. The high and low prices recorded within this 5-minute candle create the boundaries for the range. Okay. Within this established range, a balanced price point is identified. The balanced price is considered as the equilibrium point for the model. Listen to me carefully. I am going very slowly. Price movements are then analyzed relative to this equilibrium. Subsequent price action is evaluated based on its interaction with the reference range and the equilibrium point. This framework allows traders to assess potential directional bias. That is very, very important for an option trader. He should not have confusion whether to sit in a call option, whether to sit in put option, because in the opening market fluctuates like anything between red to green, green to red. Within that havoc, you are finding the trade, finding the direction in a very short period. The model aims to provide a structured approach to analyzing short-term price fluctuation. When price moves beyond this, it synchronizes with the time in a structured manner. When price moves beyond this, that means when 5-minute candle breaks above the another 5-minute candle is made higher high, it synchronizes with the time in a structured manner. Listen to me carefully. Ticking upwards in 5-degree increments when breaking out and downward when breaking down. So it will be positive 5-degree increment when it is breaking out. It will be negative 5 minutes increment when it is breaking down. The squaring happens. This is the thing Gann always does, squaring the price. Squaring happens, that is squaring, when price and time align in a synchronized movement. Squaring happens when price and time align in a synchronized movement, confirming momentum. The first 5 minutes after the market opens are like the clock striking 12, defining a crucial range. The first 5-minute candle will be like a spine of our trading clock that sets the rhythm of the entire day. The first 5 minutes after the market opens are like the clock striking 12. Defining a 12 means our regular clock, defining a crucial range that sets the rhythm for the entire day. So, in the first 5-minute candle, sets the battlefield as its high and low act as boundaries. Within a balanced price emerges like the center of seesaw. This is the center of the seesaw, and the price is fluctuating. Within this center A of this seesaw, when the price is moving up and down, the balance defines the 0-degree reference for our trend clock. 0 reference for our trend clock. See, this is the graphical representation how the price acts within the initial first 15 minutes. 5 minutes it will go up, it will come down, or sometimes it will be trend will be emerged within the next 5 minutes itself. But sometimes it struggles. See, it goes down. You can see the seesaw over here. It comes down, goes up. Here, a balance is created. That is defines the 0 degree for our reference clock. Sorry, let me go back. Here, this is the 0 degree. You can see over here, from the 0 degree, balance emerges. When the balance emerges, price synchronizes with the time and the degree starts moving up like this, 5 to 10, 10, 15, 20, like that. And also time also ticks. Price starts moving higher. So it is like lifting. Coming to this example, I am showing here today's Nifty's price action. When the price opened gap up, it was an imbalance. It started coming down. See the clock here, my trend clock, starting from 0 to 90 degree. This is like a protractor. So here it came down. It was the range previously established. It dipped into this level and price started balancing. So price started ticking above. You can see clearly when it started ticking above, you have seen the price movement so fast. You might have observed many people have taken this trade. Next example, it is a close picture of that trend emerging. I'm showing it to you. See, price sticks to the baseline, 0 degree, and then balance has been created. Price started moving. Even in the wick itself, it started lifting 5 degree, 10 degree increments, and it started breaking above. You can see the clear picture here. You need to see this. When you start seeing this, you can place the order very, very quickly, and with a minimal stop loss, you will be recognizing the trend and entering the trade with the perfect time. Timing is very, very important for option buying. If you do mistake, so you cannot sustain the volatility fluctuations of the option premiums, then you will not be able to hold the position even if you are right in your decision. Once you have the clarity of all these things in your mind, even a minor fluctuation will not hamper your thoughts. You will sit with confidence. You know that where you have entered, why you have entered, what is the thing. Then once the entry is made, you are going to calculate immediately for the targets, how much it is going to do. That I have shown with the range, fib converting into range, 3 market cycles. If the price starts climbing above high of this range, it is like our trading clock moving forward in time, ticking up by 5 degrees. The angle of movement squares with price, confirming that momentum is aligning with the time. Momentum is aligning with the time. The clock advances 5 degrees, 10 degrees, like clock ticking forwards, 15 degrees, just like an unfolding trend gaining strength. If the price starts moving above the high of this range, it is like our trading clock moving forward in time with the degrees. The angle of movement squares with price. That is, when it starts ticking above the 5 degree, advances from the baseline. That is the base. 0 degree is the base, like 180 degrees on a circle. 10 degrees, 15 degrees it is unfolding the trend, gaining the strength. That is the thing. So here, but what if price breaks downward? The clock rewinds, ticking back by 5-degree increments. As price moves below the balance point, the trend clock shifts into negative territory, confirming a bearish structure. This is where price loses sync with the positive momentum and begins a downward cycle. So here in this picture, you can see around 10 or something, 10 today, Nifty started moving downwards. It lost sync. See, this was the thing. It was in a positive territory until this time. It lost momentum, broke below and shifted to the next level. When it tried to retest here, it could not tick above the positive 5-degree or 15-degree. So the trend continued downwards. All of you know how the price moved to the 23,668 or something, 656. Then the history. So here it is a graphical representation of the clock. And this is the 12 p.m. 5-minute candle standing like a spine of this clock, standing tall from top to bottom, from here to 6 level. And then it starts seesaw motion. And then price starts to balance out. When it starts to balance out near the 0-degree, like here, we need to see which side the increment is there. Increment of 5-degree towards the positive side or the negative side. Then immediately trend direction will be identified. This happens. Sometimes it will take 20 minutes. Sometimes it will be instantaneous. This trend, when it catches fire, it runs for 1 hour. By that time, you can finish off your trade and with full of money in your hands. No deceiving. This is a very good, powerful strategy for all the people. So short period, I am an housewife. I can finish off my trade within an hour and then I can go inside the kitchen and cook for the family. Like others who are working, they can slot this time and they can trade and they can do other works. It is a freedom. You need not sit through the day. This synchronization of time is what creates a trend. The breakout is just not about price moving past a level. It is the time agreeing with the price to sustain the move. Each tick forward or backward is the market's way of keeping pace with momentum. You can see this is the thing. This is how market runs. It has to run with the time. Price has to move with the time. If there is an imbalance, sometimes you might have seen price going zoom like that. Time will not move. That is, you can relate to analogy of gap ups and gap downs. Here in this picture, see, it is a graphical representation of the picture. When today's Nifty's move, when price started coming down, see, it balanced with the time. Then it started reversing. You can see the swift movement. This is around 10 o'clock. The trade was over. Later, it started ticking down. Okay. So the next time when you look at a 5-minute breakout or breakdown, visualize your trading clock. Is it trading forward into strength, or is it rewinding into weakness? When time squares with the price, the trend is truly in motion. Remember this. When time squares with the price, you might have heard many times, if you are not succeeding or if you are doing some work which is not materializing, your elders might have told you people that time is not favorable for you. Time will come. You might have heard these sentences so many times throughout your life. That is the thing. So when you are trading, its timing is very, very important. When you time the market, then the price will work for you. So finally, I'm closing with this: trade with time, move with price, master the rhythm of the market. This is the graphical representation of showing for the trading with time, moving with price, master the rhythm of the market. So write down on your table. Write down on your table in big bold sentence, or hang it on your in front of the wall where you are trading. Trade with time, move with price, master the rhythm of the market. So finally, I'm closing this video. I hope I've made clear for you people my 5-minute trading strategy. I hope, I want you people to become profitable, honestly, because many traders are suffering like anything. Because why they are doing like that? They don't have patience. First thing, they do not have patience. They start reacting for the every green candle and every red candle. That you need to stop. See, so many things I've brought, so many videos. You can go to my playlist, Intraday Trading Strategy. You can utilize it. See, go through the videos again and again and see all the concept I've structured for intraday trading, that too for the momentum trading, for the in keeping in mind with the option buying. You need to work. When you start working with this, practice this. Many are practicing with the paper trade. They are finding profitable. They are messaging me back. You need to practice. Once you start practicing that, it becomes muscle memory. When it becomes muscle memory, how it becomes? Rinse and repeat. Rinse and repeat. Then it becomes your memory. It comes into your trading lifestyle. Thank you very much, friends. Nalnakshi Swami signing off.